case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a medical malpractice case that has gripped New York, Plaintiff Marguerite James filed a lawsuit against Dr. David Wormuth and his practice, CNY Thoracic Surgery. A biopsied wire, inadvertently forgotten inside her body, was the incendiary object igniting the case. Its discovery, laden with intense pain and a consequent second operation, prompted James's legal stance, a stance challenging the doctor's professional conduct and an alleged departure from medical norms. However, Dr. David Wormuth, bolstered by his attorney's defense, laid claim to a lack of negligence. These proclamations found their way to the judge, whose early dismissal of the complaint rested on James's failure to definitively prove that the doctor flaunted medical care standards by recklessly leaving the wire behind. Undeterred, James pushed forward, seeking justice in the New York Court of Appeals. Applying the concept of res ipsa loquitur, wherein negligence is inferred from evidence available, she appealed against the initial judgment. The premise was simple. The presence of the wire within her body should be enough to establish Wormuth's liability. Unfortunately for James, the Court of Appeals sided with Wormuth. Her claim was dismissed, as she could not demonstrate a prima facie case under the doctrine of res ipsa loquitur. She had been unsuccessful in proving that Wormuth had been exclusively in control over the wire, and no supporting evidence showed that medical standards had been blatantly ignored. The assertion that the mere presence of the wire exhibits negligence was rebuffed, illustrating that res ipsa loquitur was poorly suited to her case, thus leaving the lower court's dismissal affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.